This is Sarvanas with your B2B Cambodia Market update for April 21st, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 1.15 points or 0.28% to 408.59. Total trade volume was up to 75,945 shares changing hands at a total value of 342.9 million reals or over $85,400. On the main board, 5 stocks were up and 3 were down. Leading the market for today was Pastec Cambodia, up 2.33% or 60 real to 2,630 reals per share, followed by Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, up 0.71% or 100 reals to 14,100 reals per share. Other stocks were also up, including Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, Akleda Bank, and ChemJSM. On the downside, the biggest loser of the day was MJQ Education, dropping 0.47% or 10 reals to 2,110 reals per share, followed by Grand Twins International, dropping 0.31% or 20 reals to 6,480 reals per share. Sihanoukville Autonomous Port also dropped 20 reals to 11,860 reals per share. Meanwhile, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ remained flat. Over the growth board, both stocks were up. JS Land up 3.19% or 100 reals to 3,230 reals per share, and DBD Engineering up 0.48% or 10 reals to 2,100 per share. Grand Twins International recorded the highest trade volume of the day, 26,138 shares changing hands at a total value of 167.2 million real, or over $41,600, or about 34% of Monday trade volume. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 19,339 shares changing hands at a total value of 40.6 million reals or over $10,000, approximately 25% of April 21st trade volume. In other business-related news, the Kampot International Tourism Port, a public-private partnership investment project, was officially launched on April 21st, 2025 by Prime Minister Hun Manet, following a 3-month trial operations. The new port will connect tourists to major Cambodian islands as well as Vietnam and Thailand. The 4-hectare port is located in Tuc Cho District, 5 kilometers from Kampot City, and was built with $10 million loan from Asian Development Bank (ADB) as part of its Greater Mekong Sub-region Tourist Infrastructure for Inclusive Growth project, along with additional funding from the Cambodian government. The Kampot International Tourism Port began its construction in 2018 and was fully completed in June 2022. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to US dollar strengthened to 4,003 reals per USD, while USD index was further down 97.98. Oil prices fell 1.5% on Monday on signs of progress in talks between the US and Iran, while investors remain concerned about economic headwinds about tariffs, which could curb demand for fuel. Brent crude futures slipped $1.15 or 1.7% to $66.81 a barrel after closing up 3.2% on Thursday. US West Texas Intermediate crude was $63.58 a barrel, down $1.10 or 1.7% after settling up 3.54% in previous session. Thursday was the last settlement day last week because of Good Friday holidays. Gold prices surged to a record high on Monday, spurred by concerns over global economic growth due to the spiral Sino-US trade war and the weaker dollar further boosting the rally. Spot gold had advanced 1.7% to $3,383.87 an ounce, after hitting a record high of $3,384 earlier in the session. U.S. gold futures firmed 2% to $3,396.10 an ounce. The dollar index hit a 3-year low, making gold more attractive for other currency holders. Stock futures fell on Monday morning, following yet another negative trading week for the Wall Street. At the time of Cambodia's market closing, SP 500 futures pulled back 0.79%, while also Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.82%. Future tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average also tumbled 318 points or 0.81%. This is Sarvanas with your B2B Cambodia Market update for April 21st, 2025.